Hi everyone, thank you for visiting my channel, Root Magic by You Alchemy. Today I'm here to give a reading. This segment is called Meditation Message, A Time to Relax. I'm going to pull one card for the meditation card for today. These are yantra cards, so basically messages and tools used to help you focus and meditate. We got two of them. Okay, I'm going to keep them. This first card right here is freeing time. Freeing time. Many of us live as slaves to time, rushing off to work, then hurrying home again. With precious little free time to do anything else. We should remember, though, that seconds, minutes, and hours are illusions. For the clock is a human invention. On weekends and during time away from work, take off your watch and do things as and when you wish. This will allow your body to reestablish its natural rhythm and make you feel more relaxed. So that's the message, so you could see it clearly and read it for yourself. And the picture is a clock, time. Basically, get off of man-made time and get on nature's rhythm. I think they call it circadian time or something like that. Alright, and the second message is the hot air balloon. When you feel that cares of the world weighing upon your shoulders, it is important to find a way to lighten the load. Visualize a large, colorful hot air balloon with an empty wicker basket attached. Now watch yourself put all of your worries one by one in a basket. After you have filled the balloon with all your problems, imagine it taking off and rising up into the sky until it disappears over the horizon, taking all your worries with it. That's a beautiful meditation. So this is a visualization meditation, like using this picture. So all of your worries and burdens and everything that's not serving you, put it in a basket and visualize it floating away over the horizon. And here it is, so you could see the direction, see the message. If it's clear, hopefully. Stop and pause it at whenever you get a chance, and you can visualize this. And this is a visualization technique to use to help you release everything that you need to release. And this card is basically inspiration, letting you know, like, go by your own time. You're not on nobody's time. I'm going to have a crystal card to go along with the message. We have aura light. Let me just pull one of those. So this crystal is called Orlite 23. It's a beautiful purple stone. Okay, this is the soul connector. Okay. The soul connector. Orlite 23 has a sedative effect on the mind, stilling it so that profound healing and conscious connection with your soul, the universal mind, and higher dimensions occur. Self-understanding of this card is you are a multi-layered soul on a course of accelerated spiritual growth. You came to earth to share your knowledge. You have the ability to move between different dimensions, to anchor new vibrations into the earth plane. The slowness and seeming impossibility of the task have brought disillusionment and discontent. But do not despair. Raise your own conscience and others will follow. So this is raising your conscience, your vibration. What they call it, Christ conscious. Divination. Recognize that you are an integral part of humanity. Center yourself in inner peace and connect to your higher mind before making decisions. Beneficial contracts come through friends and family. It is not so much what you know as whom that counts now. And that includes higher beings. Okay, that is interesting. So your help could come through family members, people you know, even like they're saying higher beings, the spiritual realms. So align with your angels, ancestors, your spiritual team. Healing insight. Aligning to as above, so below, as without, so within, leads to a sense of righteousness and immersed well-being. The frequency of Orlite 23 is exceptionally high. Chakra, soul store, and stellar gateway cleanses and aligns all your chakras. The timing of this card is Aquarius. So that's the energy on the board for the zodiac. Soul path, recognize. No, it's a reconnection of ego, soul, and higher conscious. So it wants you to connect with your higher self. Or everybody call it something different, like your God self, your spirit body. But it's that inner connection, the divine connection to spirit is asking you to connect with. So that's all I have for you today for the meditation message. So it's talking about connecting to your higher self, letting all your worries float away, and know that you are on your own time, not man's time, so friend your time. Thank you. See you when I see you.